Hello everybody, my name's Ian and I build websites. Today I'm going to show you how to take a backup of a Joomla website using Akeeba Backup and then how to restore it, perhaps to another server. You may want to do this if you're moving hosting providers. Okay, this is the website we're going to move. It's skakarate.org.uk and I'm going to move it to an entirely different domain, onlinelearners.co.uk. So let's go to the dashboard for skakarate.org.uk, go down to components and Akeeba Backup and click Backup and Backup now. Okay, this will just take a few seconds. It's a small website, so it won't take very long at all. There, and now we can go back to the control panel and look at Manage Backups. And here are the latest two backups. So what I'm going to do is download the top one, which was the very last one that we did. You can click the download button to the right here. If you do, you get a warning to say downloading through your browser may corrupt the files. So the safer thing to do is to do it from the files on your server, which I do through cPanel. So if I open up the cPanel in skakarate.org.uk, here it is. So we go to File Manager, Public, Administrator, Components, com_Akeeba Backup, and then Backup. And you'll see the latest files in here. Here are two dated today. So I'll click on the very latest one and click Download. Okay, so that's all we need to do for the backup of skakarate.org.uk. What I need to do now is open up the cPanel for onlinelearners.co.uk. Here we are. And we go to the file manager here, into the public HTML, and I need to upload two files. I need to upload the backup. So here's the latest backup. And I also need to upload the Kickstart core file, which I downloaded previously. There we go. Now the Kickstart file can be found at akeebabackup.com. If you go there and just click on Products and Kickstart, you'll see that you can download the Kickstart core file from here. Right, so they've uploaded. We now need to go back into the cPanel and create a database. So I'm going to use the database wizard. So click on there. I'll call my database demo. And we now need a user. My name's Ian, so I'll call it Ian and put in a password. And create user. Right, the next screen we get, it's important that you give your user all privileges. So we tick on the top tick here and click next step. Okay, we can go back to the cPanel, and now if I go to the domain onlinelearners.co.uk/kickstart.php, and this launches the installation process. We get this message up, we can close that. Kickstart has found the archive file or the backup file that we downloaded previously. So let's just click on Start. and now we can run the installer. Kickstart does a quick check that everything on the server is okay, which it is, and now we can click next. Now we put in the database information. So my database was called, if we go and check it, the user was online learners co _ Ian. So I'll copy that, put in the password, and the database name was the same, demo, so online learners co _ demo. And that's, we also need to put in localhost for my server there, localhost, and click next. And the database restoration is successful. So click on the next step. I want to save the passwords there. The information here has been pre-populated. It remembers all the users and passwords and so forth. So that looks okay. We can click next. Almost there. Close this window to return to Kickstart. Click the cleanup button. So we close this window, click cleanup. Now we can visit the site's front end, and we can see now, look, the entire website has been brought over to onlinelearners.co.uk. Okay, and it works in exactly the same way as it would have done. We can go into the admin panel. And log in here. And there we go. Okay, I hope you found that useful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you'd like to subscribe, you'd be very welcome. I produce at least one video a week. If you'd like to see me produce a video in particular about any given Joomla topic, please leave a message below and I'll do my best to provide one. Thanks very much. Bye.